Back here at home, the city of Houston will have more time to get relief money to victims of Hurricane Harvey.
Yeah, the deadline was originally set for next year, but today the Texas Land Commissioner announced the federal government granted them an extra 2 years. Adam Bennett is at City Hall. He was there for that announcement. Adam, there's still about $200 million left for victims.
This is money that the city and state have been fighting over for years. Now leaders credit a new bipartisan push with helping get this extension from the federal government. And as they work to get that money to victims, though, there's still several hundred of them that they still need to find.
In August 2017, during Hurricane Harvey, Brays Bayou burst its banks and flooded the lot left of the 3rd Ward trail Tevin Harris often walks.
When you told me, I was like, I never knew.
Today, there's no sign of the apartment complex that sat here before Harris moved to Houston. It was one of 4 complexes the city bought out in 2021. 3 years later, state officials want to use $45 million to find the 900 or so families who moved and cover relocation expenses. The problem? They don't know where they are.
There was an attempt at a paper trail. The department was understaffed.
Housing Director Mike Nichols was not in charge then. Now, he says there's a new system in place.
If anything ever happens like that again, we'll know how to use the relocation funds.
Today, Texas Land Commissioner Dawn Buckingham said she's working with community leaders to find these families.
We'll be conducting outreach through schools, churches, and faith organizations, Houston Public Works, food banks, and community organizations.
Both business owners who used to serve these families and those who never knew them hope these are the right steps to lift the cloud hanging over Harvey victims.
And if you think you may be one of those families, you can call the General Land Office of Texas. Meanwhile, the GLO says that they've helped build more than 2,300 homes so far, another 900 slated for construction, and they say that they've contributed more than $1 billion to flood mitigation projects. Ron?
Great news for so many people. Thank you so much, Adam.